Nissan will recall 166,000 vehicles in the US and Canada over concerns about defective ignition switches. The recall affects 2017 and 2018 model year versions of the Juke, which was discontinued after 2017, Frontier, Sentra, Versa Note, Micra, which is not sold in the US, Nevada, and V200 in Nevada Taxi, Nissan told Roadshow Today in an emailed statement. The recall issue only affects cars sold with a traditional key and switch ignition, not the push-button versions that are optional on most of the specified models. Over time, components inside the ignition switch can wear, causing reduced durability. Coupled with excessive vibrations, the key could inadvertently bump from the on position while driving. Nissan's statement says the automaker isn't aware of any injuries due to this problem, but it's obviously rather dangerous for a car to shut off suddenly while in motion. Nissan plans to inform owners about the recall this month, so they can have the problem repaired for free at a dealership. Though serious, this recall is, fortunately, relatively small compared to the similar problem General Motors had in 2014 with defective ignition switches that would turn off while owners were driving.